Hello everyone! Today I'm going to give you 15 top-notch color LUTs, completely free. First, let's see how to import it and how these LUTs look like. I've already added a video clip to my Premiere Pro timeline and created an adjustment layer on top. We'll be applying the LUTs to this layer.
Take your editing to the next level with the Ultimate Preset Pack for creators. You can grab it for just $20. Link in the description below.
First, select the adjustment layer, then go to the Lumetri Color panel and open the Creative tab. In the Look drop-down menu, choose Browse, select one of the LUTs you downloaded, and double-click to apply it. That's it. The LUT is now applied, and you can adjust the intensity slider to get the look you want. This pack includes 15 unique LUTs, so try them out and pick the ones that best fit your videos. The download link is in the description. Grab your free LUT pack and start creating stunning visuals today. And if you find these helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tools and tips.